you can't do yoga, well, that's great. That's great because I teach people who think they can't do yoga. As a yoga teacher, I'm always hearing from people, I can't do yoga, I'm not flexible, I have arthritis, I'm too stiff, I have osteoporosis, I just can't do yoga, I'm too old. So I've heard it all. But saying that you can't do yoga because you're not flexible is like saying you're too dirty to take a bath. Get it? Too dirty to take a bath. So if you're any of those things, if you have arthritis, osteoporosis, if you think you're not flexible, if you're achy, yoga is absolutely one of the best things that you could do for yourself. So I teach a style of yoga called gentle yoga. So I call it gentle yoga, and what that means is that it is typically a slower class than your average yoga class. We move a little bit more slowly, we break down poses, we modify poses to suit you. The focus is on doing yoga that's going to benefit your body. So it's your body, your yoga, and we want to make sure that you're moving in a way that is beneficial to you, that is not hurting you. So it's definitely not about getting into any weird positions. It's not about getting your foot behind your head or your hands to the floor. It's really about moving in a way that's supportive to you and how you're feeling today. So whether you want to get stronger, whether you want to be more flexible, whether you want to simply use yoga to relax, de-stress, release anxiety and tension from the body, it's really about doing yoga to serve you. So gentle yoga is appropriate really for anybody who is looking for a slower, more gentle class. But it's especially good for people over 40, anybody who has joint pain, that would include osteoarthritis, for people who have osteoporosis. Yoga has recently been proven to be really effective at building strong bones. There is a specific yoga protocol, especially for people with osteoporosis, where yoga has been shown to help to reverse bone loss due to osteoporosis in some cases. So it's especially great for people who are at risk of osteopenia or osteoporosis, but it's really great for just anybody who wants a more gentle, slower paced yoga. Perfect for beginners, and as I said, perfect for anybody who thinks they cannot do yoga. So if you've always wanted to try yoga but have been intimidated, and I get it, I get being intimidated by going into a yoga class where people, you feel like you can't do what is going to be asked of you, or you feel like you're not flexible, or you just feel like you're not up for it. If you've ever been intimidated or nervous to try yoga, I want to really encourage you to try a gentle yoga class wherever you are, or try gentle yoga with me. I teach 3 weekly live classes on Zoom. I also teach a chair yoga class on a Thursday morning for people who are challenged to get up and down off of the floor. So I really want to encourage you, if you think you can't do yoga, give gentle yoga a try, or give me a try, and I promise you that you can do yoga. I actually have a special promotional offer coming up for my membership, which I'm going to announce on Monday. So stay tuned for my special promotional offer if you're interested in learning more about what we do in my membership. So I definitely am all about working with women over 40 and beyond who are looking to become stronger, more flexible, improve their balance, and just do a gentle style of yoga. So please let me know if you have any questions or comments, and stay tuned for my special offer, which I'm going to announce on Monday. So please let me know if you have any questions, and if not, I'll see you again soon.